Major US companies, including Disney, JP Morgan and Meta, have told staff they'll cover employee travel expenses for abortions, as millions of US women face restricted access. It follows a landmark ruling by the Supreme Court last week overturning the constitutional right to abortion, which sparked widespread protests across the country. Let's go live to New York. We can join CBS correspondent Naomi Ruckham, who is covering the story. Naomi, some pretty high-profile companies then saying they're going to support women, but it seems not so many law firms.
Right, Lucy, good morning. Law firms appear to be walking a tightrope on how to approach the ruling. For now, most are carefully weighing the advantages and disadvantages of commenting, including the possibility of alienating clients. Others have issued internal communications about the ruling. This comes as several large companies, like you mentioned, are now speaking out, including the Walt Disney Company, which said it would reimburse employees who must travel out of state to get an abortion. Facebook parent Meta, American Express, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs also all saying they would cover employee travel costs, while others like Apple, Starbucks, Lyft, and Yelp reiterated previous announcements taking similar action. Outdoor clothing maker Patagonia went on to say that they would provide training and bail for those who peacefully protest for reproductive justice, and also offering them time off to vote. Lucy?
Naomi, how many states have imposed immediate bans? So how many women this week who were planning to get an abortion now can't have one?
Well, as of right now, as of today, women in 8 states can no longer get a legal abortion. And at least 13 states also have these so-called trigger laws that locked new abortion restrictions into place directly after Roe v. Wade was overturned. Another 13 are likely to restrict access or enact bans soon. In Oklahoma, any medical staff performing abortions could face prison time. Again, Oklahoma, one of 8 states where the court's ruling triggers bans with no exceptions for rape or incest. In Louisiana, the last abortion clinic closed down this weekend. Some states, though, have said they will welcome patients from neighboring states or even clinics that want to relocate. Lucy?
Naomi, thank you so much.